probably don't know this about me, but I love to swim. I'm right here with my parents' pool. I'm ready to get in. I'm wearing Tomboy X, which is a size-inclusive, gender-free company. And I'm also going to be using HAIRBRELLA. Okay, so I'm currently wearing a turban. I have my freshly washed braids. I have an event tonight, so I don't have time to rewash them. I want to make sure they last several weeks because they were expensive. So let's go ahead and put this on. It slips on so easy. I've been using this all over during my travels. You want to make sure your ears are out. Let's get in the pool. Y'all, my braids are still dry. I'm gonna show you. I had a great time swimming. I'm soaking wet, but let's make sure that my hair is dry. HAIRBRELLA. So I got my fitness in. I got to go swimming today. Got to keep my hair cute. Let's check it out. Okay, so I put my turban back on. Let's see. No wet spots. Because my hair is dry. HAIRBRELLA. You can see that it's lined with satin on the inside, which keeps your hair super smooth, super nice. I think it's a great product. I think you should check it out. No pressure. Yeah. More summer activities as Black women who are trying to take care of our hair.